all three indices are in the red today. The jobs report is now out. It is Friday, September 5th. Let's break down exactly what is going on in the stock market and why. Jobs report came out at 8:30 a.m. and there were 75,000 jobs in the estimate, and we only added 22,000. Also, the unemployment rate ticked up to 4.3%, which is the highest it has been in 4 years. And this is a classic case of the bullish bearish scenario. People could react to the report one of two ways. One is if the report was good, it actually would have been bearish for stocks because the likelihood of rate cuts would have went down, and there's a lot of people betting on a significant amount of rate cuts. The other way is if the jobs report was bad, stocks could actually rise because it further reiterates their bets on rate cuts. However, if the report was bad enough, which I think people are realizing it is bad enough, now they're worried that the Fed is behind the curve instead of ahead of the curve, and stocks are starting to sell off. Like, can we correct this before things go into recessionary territory? Once we get job growth of under zero, meaning negative jobs reported and added, that is recessionary territory, and that is, of course, not good for stocks. So this is a case where the report was bad enough where it wasn't bullish for the rate cut bet, and now investors and traders are acting accordingly. So that's what's happening in the stock market today. If you're curious what's going on in the stock market every day, why you're seeing these price fluctuations, I break this down every single day. I'm also well involved in the housing market, having done over 300 transactions for other people in residential and commercial real estate. So if you're interested in all those things, like, follow, comment. I super appreciate it. Leave any questions down in the comments. And you guys have a good day. Let's get it. Make some money.